Alright guys, this is the material I'm using today. A 20-inch piece of 1x12 pine, some 1/2-inch wood dowel, and 4 wood dowel caps. I'm going to attempt something I've never tried before, and that is to give this board a live edge look. Now I need it to be around 10 inches wide, so I'm drawing a reference line equally in on each side. Then I just randomly draw along the edge to simulate a live edge look. Then I clamp the board and with my jigsaw angled away from the edge, start making my cut along the line. Halfway through this first cut, my blade broke. So I replaced with a new one and finished both sides. I picked up these 60 grit sanding discs from my angle grinder and am smoothing out the edges. Now if you're going to try this, I learned real quick to just lightly sand. It will take off a bunch of wood in a hurry if you put a lot of pressure on. Then I finish it up with 220 grit on my palm sander. I really like how this turned out. Not too bad for a first try if I say so myself. Now I'm marking the location for the dowel caps, which are going to be the feet of this tray. The caps hold about 1/2 inch of dowel, so I'm actually going to cut about 1 inch off for each lay. I figured I'd try the miter saw and with the dowel in the cap, cut 1/2 inch of extended dowel. I actually probably would use a handsaw next time. This worked, but the last one shot across the room. I sand down each end of the dowels, use my punch on each mark, and with a piece of tape at the 1/2 inch mark on my drill bit, 1/2 inch drill bit, drill each hole. I test fit the feet before gluing and found I needed to drill one hole just a little bit deeper. Then it's on to gluing and installing the feet. Now I'm ready to stain. I did put a pre-stain on before applying Minwax Golden Oak. Now you can see that one dark area there. I'm going to use some dark walnut to try and blend that spot in. Once the stain is dry, I'm going to put on a couple coats of Minwax Gloss Poly. So here it is after the poly has dried. Hey, if you're a beginner woodworker, you can see how easy this was to build and under $9 in material. It would make a nice gift or something to start selling. Thanks guys for watching. I'll catch you on the next video.